Okay, hey guys, I do just want to quickly show you what I got in the package. This is an unveiling of earrings that I've been looking for the wedding. I wanted something kind of bigger than, you know, the usual smaller ones, and so I just want to see if these ones actually work. I got these from AliExpress from China, super cheap. I'll show you the website so that you can all go on there. I don't get paid for this. This is not an ad, and unfortunately, but I do want to show you guys the different types of earrings that I got, and hopefully I find something here that I can wear for the wedding, because it's been such, you know, it's been such a wreck, like trying to find it. All right, the first one is this one. And, ooh, okay, I like it, I like it. This one was, I believe, $2. I like that one. Well, I just want to show you guys up close. Ooh, I like this. Oh my god, I actually really love these ones. These are definitely a contender. Okay. All right, okay, so the next one, this one comes in silver and also like an emerald color. Probably not gonna wear the emerald, but maybe for like a bridal shower or something like that. I like them really big, so that's why I needed to get them online. And I tried looking for them on Amazon, did not even find them. So these ones are kind of cute. I'm really liking that too. I'll show you up close. How do you like that? That's kind of pretty. These are the silver ones right here. Woo! I'm super happy. They're actually big and not just like the dinky small ones. Okay, let me put this on for you. All right, check that one out. Yes, yes. I like it, I like it. All right. Okay, so far so good. I'm actually super excited because I think I'm definitely using one of these. All right, so this one is a bigger one. Ooh, these are very big. I'm liking this. Okay. Oh my god, these may just be it. I love big ones. I mean, and they're not as heavy. They're not actually super heavy. They're just right. How do you like this? Okay, so I got a couple of these too. Ooh, this one is really nice. I'll show you guys. I got a couple of these because I didn't know how my hairstyle is gonna be, but I mean, I have like an idea, but I just need to find the right person for it. It's so difficult to find somebody who you can trust, because I do my own hair and I like how it looks, but at the same time, probably on my wedding day, I want to pass that on to somebody else who can beautify me, but someone who I can trust. And like, it's a struggle to seriously find that somebody right now. But and of course, they come in different sizes. Like there's this one. This one is a pearl. So I was to do my hair like this. So I just pin this. The veil would come down here, and then this thing would just kind of go up like that. Do you see what I mean? So yeah, so these are some really cute headpieces and they come in different sizes. I just literally want to show you all where you can buy these for cheap to save you a bunch of money on your wedding day, on your grad, on your prom, whatever occasion it may be. I just want you all to really save money. But you know, they don't look cheap. They're actually bling in, which is exactly what you want. Just radiate a bunch of that, you know, crystal from your ear or from your head. And I'm so in love with them, and I have no idea which one I'm actually gonna pick for my wedding. So I'm so excited to show all of you on the actual day of what I'll do. Let me know in the comment what you guys think about all of these accessories. Which one is your favorite? See ya in the next one. Bye.